Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video from thexking.com, and today's video is a typical question I saw on Reddit and I wanted to answer in the video form. I might do a blog post about it too, but the question is, why do you blog? Why do bloggers blog? Why do I blog? Why do you blog? And I'm going to answer for myself why I blog, and there's 3 reasons why I blog. But maybe 4 reasons why I have a blog, thexking.com. The number 1 reason why I started the blog and started blogging is to help people avoid the mistakes I've made. The reason I do YouTube and blogging is to help people because I've spent a long time in the wrong direction. And, you know, the internet will fool you in a lot of ways. Make money online programs will fool you in a lot of ways as well. That's why I promote products that work, and I promote tools that you need and programs that will help you versus something else. Being so many products like Google Sniper. I bought Google Sniper when it came out. It didn't work for me. I did exactly what they said. It didn't work. And that discouraged me from blogging, and I tried other avenues. But I try to help people in my videos and blog posts. I try to help people avoid the mistakes I've made and save them time. So what took me 4 years to learn, I'm trying to help you in the first year. You can save that time and cut that time gap back. And I learned a lot of stuff. And I'm still learning stuff. I'm always learning something new that I can implement in my online business. So I'm always doing that as well. So number 2 is just to help. Number 1 is help people. Number 2 is just to tell my story, to tell what I've been through online blogging. But not only that, I talk about my family. I talk about situations I've been in my personal life, and it'll help get the word out to people going through what I went through, to tell people, hey, you ain't the only one to go through family and jealousy and family, treating you bad and going crazy. You ain't the only one going through it. So blogging is kind of like a channel I can go to channel that blog post. Now, it's not related to internet marketing, but it shows that I'm a real person that goes through stuff like everybody else do. And it helps me channel some of that energy to writing it, to let people read it and show that you ain't the only one going through stuff. Even I have all these things going for myself, I still go through issues too. So that's number 2. Number 3 is obviously to make some money, for my family. The bottom line is to make money. I want to make money by helping people. So I want to take care of my family. I want to have my family security safe and make this blog replacing my full-time income, or replace my wife's full-time income so she can stay at home. So with our son. So it's for my wife and my son. That's one of the reasons why I blog and I do YouTube videos every day, to push myself every day to do it mainly for them. Not for me too, but it'd be my wife, my son, and me. And to take care of our bills. So I do it for my family. That's why I do it for them. So that motivates me to see how my wife's job put us through the ringer. We were in the same job, so I see how our job put us through the ringer, how you treat her, how you treat me, and I like to get away from that situation. This is why I write content and do content every single day. Every video I create is to get out this job and make some money from the blog. So it's those 3 reasons why I blog, but mainly just to help people avoid the pitfalls I've been through, to avoid half the BS I had to go through learning. And the number 1 thing, I'm gonna leave with this with the video, all the courses I got, all the courses I've been through, all the training, all the webinars I've been through, and all that's good stuff. The number 1 thing that I lacked in the first 4 years, the number 1 thing that will stop anybody else from doing it, the number 1 thing that will slow anybody down is consistency. You must be consistent. That's it. An online business is like having a job. It's just like having a 9-to-5 job. It's the same thing. You got to do this every day. There is no days off. You have to do this every day. You can't just have a blog and just getting traffic and you just sit on it for 3-4 months. You could probably do that with a blog on your channel, but after a while, your traffic will start going down and going down if you don't post new content. All these platforms love new and fresh content. YouTube loves it. Blogging, Google likes it. Facebook likes it. I mean, Instagram likes it. While I was posting on Instagram of my keto foods and diets, I was getting subscribers, followers, and people viewing it. But once I stopped posting it, the followers stopped. Cause I stopped posting content. So this is a regular job. You gotta do this every day. The number one thing of all the courses you see online, all the courses that you could get, the number one thing they teach you is be consistent. You gotta do this every day. You gotta do a video a day. I do a video a day, and I do a blog post every other day. That's my frequency. That's what I keep. That's me. I do that. It's comfortable for me. It has a work-life balance, and my work life, my family life, and my blogging life. It works for me. Doing a video is easy for me. Guys, pull my phone out, start recording the video, upload to YouTube next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm done. So this is why I do YouTube every day, because it's easier, it's faster, don't take a lot of time. I don't do like editing, no way. I just shoot the video, put it on YouTube, I'm done with it. So that's the number one thing that I can tell people about making money online when it's a real business, it's a real business. You have to treat it like a real business. You have to work on it every single day. And in the first 4 years, I didn't do that. So yeah, that's the end of my video. And I only promote products that I've used and I know it works. So below the video, I have 2 links to the first one. If you want to learn to make money online with YouTube, below the video, there's that link. And you want free affiliate training. That's free training. There's a lot of training out there that charge you money, a membership fee, a monthly fee. This affiliate bootcamp is free to join. In the first 100 days, it will teach you how to become a super affiliate in the first 100 days. Okay? No, it's not a 100-day course. It's a 30-day course, but it's free to join. It would teach you affiliate marketing, how to use paid traffic and free traffic. And one tip for that, I learned, you should do both. You should do paid traffic and free traffic. The blog takes a long time to get traffic. The YouTube channel takes a long time to get traffic. Those 2 things should be working on the back in the back end. The front end, the quick money is paid traffic. If paid traffic, get traffic in the next 15, 20 minutes, you're getting clicks and views. That should be your short term, and long term should be your blog and YouTube channel. That takes a long time to build. I've been blogging the past 4 months now and have not hit that traffic spike yet. It takes a long time, but I could build out in the back end, YouTube in the back end, and buy traffic on the front end. So that's the end of my video. Why do I blog? Those 3 reasons. And you want to learn to make money online with affiliate marketing, below the video is a link to that. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.